Hello children, open your English textbooks and open the page number 6. Lesson number 2, How People Work. Now read along with me. There is a man in that aeroplane. He is flying the aeroplane. Who is he? He is Mr. Jacob. He is a pilot. He flies people to places. There is a man in the police station. He is writing a report. Who is he? He is Mr. K.K. Sharma. He is a police officer. He protects people. There is a man in the street. He is selling vegetables. Who is he? He is Mishraji. He is a vegetable seller. He gives vegetables to people. There is a woman in that kitchen. She is washing utensils. Who is she? She is Sakina. She is a housemaid. She cleans houses of people.